braised tofu, 두부조림. Chopped green onions thinly. In a bowl, put 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a tablespoon of minced garlic, 1 tablespoon of red pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of chopped green onions, 1 tablespoon of cooking wine, and a bit of pepper. Delicious braising tofu sauce is ready. Cut 1 block of tofu in half and slice it into appropriate thickness. Place the tofu in a microwave-safe container and evenly spread the sauce on top. Layer the rest of the tofu and spread the remaining sauce. Cover with a microwave-safe lid and microwave for 6 to 7 minutes. After 6 to 7 minutes, delicious braised tofu is ready. You can eat it as is or serve it in a side dish. Very savory, delicious braised tofu is done. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.